a quick guide to understanding Cook's Tour. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, Cook's Tour. This phrase might sound a bit strange, especially if you're learning English, but don't worry. In this video, we'll explore what it means, its origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started and uncover the mystery behind this unique phrase. Cook's tour is a phrase used to describe a quick or superficial tour of an area or place. It implies that the tour is rushed and doesn't go into much depth. Imagine visiting a museum and only spending a minute in each room. That's a bit like a Cook's tour. You get an overview, but you don't delve deep into any particular aspect. The term Cook's tour originated from Thomas Cook, a British travel agent in the 19th century. He organized the first ever package tour in 1841. These tours were known for being efficient but brief, covering many areas in a short period. So, the phrase, Cook's tour, became synonymous with a quick, cursory overview of a place. Let's see how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. 1. Our visit to the art gallery was like a Cook's tour. We only had 30 minutes, so we rushed through each room. 2. I only need a Cook's tour of the software's features. Just show me the basics. 3. He gave us a Cook's tour of the new house, but I wish we had more time to see each room in detail. Notice how in each of these examples, Cook's tour is used to describe a situation where something is done quickly and without much detail. I hope this video has helped you understand what Cook's tour means and how you can use it in your conversations. It's a fun and historical phrase that can add some flair to your English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy the journey of learning. See you in the next video.